Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing how to make this poop shaker charm, and this is a 3D shaker charm that is using one of my own personal silicone molds that I custom made. So first, to make the template, I took some clay and I rolled it into a really long but fat cylinder, and on one end I'm just going to pinch it so it's a little bit pointy, and then the other end I'm just going to round it off. And then I'm just going to carefully swirl it around to have that poop texture, kind of like a soft serve ice cream. And then I made a mold using my Sorta Clear 12, and I actually made this mold over like 2 years ago. So then we're going to make our resin mixture. So I'm taking some UV resin and I'm going to add some glitter into the mix. And I added some pink and blue alcohol inks into the resin mixture. And eventually I'm going to mix them together to make a purple. So to make the shell, all I did was paint on my UV resin, and I cured it in different layers. So I cured the pink layer, then I added some blues, then I added some purples, and then I kept repeating it until I had kind of like a thicker shell layer of the poop. And after it was cured under the UV lamp, I carefully took it out of my silicone mold. And you just have to be really careful because it did come apart, so we did have to do a little bit of repair afterwards. So I used the same UV resin mixture to kind of paint on and glue the pieces together, and I had a couple of holes, so I had to patch those up as well. And once everything was finally patched up, I added a layer of glaze to make it shiny. And then to make like the lid of the shaker charm, I just took a little thin plastic sheet and outlined the base of my silicone mold. And then I just mixed in a bunch of pearls that I have into the poop shell to make the nice shaker sound. Then I added super glue onto the rim of the poop, and I added the little thin plastic base, and then I added UV resin just to reinforce it, which I didn't show in the step. But this is my poop shaker charm, and this is a bit of a shorter video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it regardless, and thank you all for watching.